Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to join beta programs on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, the library, we have the community and your profile. We also have the bar in the middle where you have your store, new and noteworthy, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and join beta programs on Steam. So joining beta programs on Steam allows you to test new features and updates before they are released to the public. First of all, launch the Steam client on your computer as I already told you and click on Steam in the top left corner and select settings. Click on Steam and one before it last is settings. Then in the settings menu, click on account, which is the first thing as you can see. Then click on manage Steam Guard account security. After clicking that, in the beta participation section, select Steam beta update from the drop down menu. Click restart now to restart Steam and apply the changes. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete this process. You can also join game specific betas by right clicking on the game in your library, selecting properties, going beta tabs, and choosing the beta from the drop down menu. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.